Hey guys, Mike Hilson here from the Chatbot Agency, here presenting on behalf of Real Estate Bots, which is a chatbot agency platform designed for marketing real estate on Facebook and driving that traffic into Messenger, so that enables you to build a list and at the same time respond to inquiries 24/7, 365. So this one we're going to run through a simple market report campaign. We basically will advise to run this at the first of each month, so you're ahead of any other agent that's out there looking at putting a report together which comes somehow out on the third week of the month. So be the first, mate, and you'll obviously have a better audience to deal with. So let's run off here. So in the news feed, this is what it's going to look like. We're just stating the obvious here, and we're telling people that the market has changed. Click learn more is going to open it up, and right here, right now, we are segmenting our audience into home buyers and home owners. Each will go down a separate funnel because we're now tagging this person as a homeowner. And we haven't even asked for their name. So we're providing the report as promised. Okay, we haven't asked for any details right now. They're going to click on the download. Some might go, well, how do we follow these guys up? We have no number, we have no email. Well, guess what, guys? We don't need to ask that in Messenger because they're already inside Messenger where we're having a one-on-one. Okay, so don't get held up bent on that right now. However, those that opt in for the custom report, it's going to be a little bit different because we need to get some details so that we can actually put together a custom report for these guys and then send it through to them via email, and at the same time we'll need to give them a call to see if they've actually spent another $3 million on their property since they bought it, so that we've got a better idea of where their property may sit with the improvements. So now we're starting to collect data like the address, how many bedrooms, we'll go through how many bathrooms, all that kind of stuff. We haven't asked for their full name here, guys. We can ask for that if you really want to, but that's going to come through in the email anyway with this lead. So all the information we're putting in here or collecting here, once they've hit OK, it will be sent to you as an email, and obviously you can call that number from your phone because it's in email. It can be transferred through to your VA who can put it into your CRM and prepare the report for you so that you're onto the ball, okay, and away you go. Rightio. Oh God, love Jordan. Okay, so at the end point here, we're going to attach a photo, which could go onto the front end of the report. Very simple. We've just put them into a sequence here right now. We're going to press the camera button, go around, take a shot, send it through. Happy days. We've also designed the bot so that at each end point there, we're going to always have access to other information. In this case, they can call or make that contact with us. We're pulling them into a web view here right now. So, oh no, it's not a web view. We're going to share it on Facebook, sorry. This is really good for, obviously, a little bit of viral marketing and, you know, getting your name out there through other people's feeds. I'll close that tab. Very good. More listings. This is where we're opening it up in a web view, guys. If you don't have a website, you don't need one. Yes, I've said that now. You don't need one. Don't go out there, spend thousands of dollars, guys. Waste of money. No one's going there anyway. They're all in Facebook, aren't they? So we've got web views where you can, with a real estate widget, which enables you to put all your properties in, peg them up against the maps and all that kind of stuff, and there's something special that will be arriving next year where this is going to wipe the slate clean, and you won't need to go to the portals in the first part of your campaign, so you're going to save thousands of dollars for your vendors. Okay, those posts that come back, how I'm going to save thousands of dollars, don't post it, contact me, I'll actually do one-on-one with you and show you how it's all done. Anyway, that's me, Mike Hilson from the Chatbot Agency, signing out on behalf of Real Estate Bots, where your Facebook marketing is going to be taken to another level by adopting principles like this, and most importantly, the data is secure and you're never ever going to have your data transported to another jurisdiction where they can reuse it and obviously put you in a lot of trouble if it gets hacked. So that's me. We'll chat later. Take care. Bye now.